Good morning. Very good morning, children. How are you all? Fine? Are your health is okay? Are you recovered, children? Yes. Very good. Then we will start. Yes. Tell me what is the date today? Today the date is 26 August 2021. Today is Thursday. So you have English subject, right, children? Yes. Let us see what is the thought for the day. Every day is a good day. Yes, every day is a good day only. How we will take according to that only the day will be, right? Yes. Then we completed the first lesson, right, children? Now we will go to the workbook. Okay. Please take out your English workbook part 1. English workbook part 1. Yes. Then open. Mention your name, school name. Then turn module 1, page number 1. Page number 1, module 1. In this we will learn dictation words, listen and answer, anatomies, then abstract noun, editing exercise, photo based character sketch. This and all we will learn in this module 1. Okay, grammar part. Okay, children? Yes. So first we have dictation, exercise 1.1, word dictation. So I will write the words on the board, children. You have to copy down like this. Okay? Yes. Exercise 1.1, word dictation. Okay? First one is hero. H-E-R-O, hero. Then second is feet. F-E-A-T, feet. Then dedicated. Dedicated. Then limb. L-I-M-B, limb. Then preservance. P-E-R-S-E-V-E-R-A-N-C-E, preservance. Okay. Then determination. D-E-T-E-R-M-I-N-A-T-I-O-N, determination. Yes, children? Yes. Then next difference. D-I-F-F-E-R-E-N-C-E, difference. Then enthusiastically. A-U-T-H-U-S-I-A-S-T-I-C-A-L-L-Y. Okay. Enthusiastically. Okay. Then next mole. M-O-L-E, mole. Okay. 9 words we have, right? Yes. Completed, children. Now itself this is classwork. Yes. Completed. The next one we have exercise 1.2, listen and answer. Yes. How did people go from one place to another in olden days? These are the common questions. You will know, right, children? In previous classes and all, you might have learned. Yes, in olden days how people were traveling. In olden days people used to go from one place to another with the help of animals. Yes, with the help of animals only. Like horse, elephant, camel. Yes, they are using these animals as a transportation. Yes, children? Yes. So, first one answer I will write on the board. Copy down now itself. In olden days, people used to go from one place to another. One place to another with the help of animals. Okay. Yes. Then second question. What is the second question? Yes. Which was one of the first car manufacturers to use an assembly line? Do you know? Ford. Do you know Ford car and all? You have heard? Yes. Ford was the one of the first car manufacturer to use an assembly line. To make an assembly line, this car only used, which Ford. Okay, write down. This is just for an information, children, general information only. This question has been asked, but it is not related to textbook. Okay, yes. So don't search answers from textbook, you will not get it. Okay, so I will only give the answers. Please write down. Ford was one of the first car manufacturers to use an assembly line. Okay. Then what is the third question? What do modern cars burn for fuel? What do modern cars burn for fuel? Do you know? Modern cars burn gasoline. Okay, gasoline or diesel for fuel. Which they need, children, cars and all to move? We need gasoline or diesel. Okay. Yes. Write down. Modern cars burn gasoline or diesel for fuel. Okay. Then fourth. What is the fourth question, children? Mention two harmful things that modern cars give out. Yes, what they give out? See, write down. Cars give out metal particles and harmful gases. Harmful gases like carbon monoxide. Okay. They have asked the two particles which will harmful the environment. Yes, harmful things. So we have two things that is harmful. Cars give out metal particles and harmful gases. Okay, see, metal particles and harmful gases like carbon monoxide. It is a very dangerous gas. Okay, it will come out of the cars, vehicles and all. Okay. Then next what we have, fifth question. Write an alternate mode of transport that people have started using. Yes, alternate mode of transportation. Yes, people are started using. What they started using? Alternate modes of transport that people have started using are bicycle. Okay, they are asked any one, an alternative. They started using bicycles nowadays, or this charger car. Yes, solar cars they are using. Yes, this kind of things they are using because the air should not get polluted. That's why. Okay. So I got this word here, children. Yes. Please copy down soon, children. Watch the video and complete your classwork whatever I have given. Okay. Yes. Then next fifth one. I will write here, children. Copy down fifth question, fifth answer. Alternate modes. Alternate modes of transport Transport that people have started using bicycle. Okay, anyone they ask us, so I have given bicycle. If you know some other, you can add with that, your wish. Okay, yes. Then next, turn the page number 3, children. Page number 3, vocabulary we have. Yes, what is that? Let us see. Anatomies. What is anatomies? I will explain you. Yes. Exercise 2.1. Match the words column A with their anatomies in column B. Column A and this is column B. Let us see. Absence. Absence, presence means like a opposite. Okay. That is called anatomy. Okay. Absence, presence. Okay. So match. Take the scale, children. Neatly match it. Okay, like this. Then backward. Backward opposite is forward. Okay. We call it as anatomy also. Okay. See, forward. Then danger. Danger, safety. Yes. Danger, safety. Opposite. Okay. Then next, encourage. Encourage, discourage. Yes, you know already, right, children? Yes. External, internal. See, internal here. Okay. Then guest, host. We can say guest also, host also. Okay. See, host. Okay, right. Match it, children, with scale neatly. Then next exercise 2.2. Rewrite these sentences by changing the words marked in bold into their anatomies. Yes, you should change the anatomies. Okay. See, she had major injuries from the accident. Major means more. More she has got injured. Okay. You should write anatomy of major. Okay. See here, she had minor injuries from the accident. Okay. Yes. So minor means little bit of injuries only she got. Okay. Yes. Can you see, children? Please complete it now only. I will not write on the board. Complete now only, children, please. Completed. Then turn next page. Watch the video again and again. Write down, children. Can you write? Yes, I will write the answer on the board. Okay. Yes. Yes, children. Second answer. First one I showed you alright, right? Okay, we'll write on the board. Copy it up. She had minor injuries. She had the minor injuries from the accident. From the accident. Okay. Then next, second question. What is second question? The loyal friend lived across the road. So loyal means you are a particular person. Yes, you are a loyal means you will be loyal to others. Okay. Disloyal means you are not taking care of them. Yes. Okay. So answer is the disloyal. Okay. You are writing anatomy. Yes. Disloyal. Disloyal friend. Disloyal friend to return. Lived. Sorry, children. Lived across the road. Then next third. What is the third? Did you remember to return the books to the library? Did you remember? Remember means you are remembering. Then opposite of that is forgot. Yes, forgot. Did you forget to return? This is the anatomy. Okay, children, this is the anatomy. This and this here. Okay. Forget to return the books to library. Books to the library. Visible, children? Yes, because this is a question, so you have to put the question mark because you are asking, did you return like that or did you forget like that? You are asking a question, right? So I have to give question mark here. Okay. Then next, fourth question. What is fourth question? It is possible to walk in this heavy rain. You have to write. See, it is possible. It is possible to walk in this light rain. Okay, heavy opposite is light. This is the anatomy. Light. Okay, light rain. Visible, children? Yes. Then fifth one. It is likely that my father will come home for dinner. Okay. It is likely. Likely opposite what it will be? Unlikely. Yes. So write. It is unlikely. It is unlikely that my father will come home for dinner. Home for dinner. Okay. Yes. Please complete it, children. Then next in page number 4 we have grammar. Yes. Nouns. What we have in grammar? Nouns. You know already what is noun, right? Yes. Read the following passage, then underline the nouns and sort them in the given table. Yes, see here they have given a passage. You have to read this passage and you should underline the nouns. Then you have to write it in the table. Okay. So this will be your homework, children. Okay. This and this also. See, page number 5 also is your homework. Now answer the following question about the gender of nouns in the table. Yes, you have to write here common noun, proper noun, then collective noun. You already know in previous class you have learnt. Yes, children. So you need to write common noun, proper noun, collective noun. From this you have to choose, underline and write it here. Okay, after writing that, now you should answer the following questions. That the gender of the nouns in the table. Okay, write one masculine gender from the table. Masculine gender means a boy name you can write. Then feminine gender you should write. Then a girl. Okay. Then neuter gender, any non-living thing. Okay. Then two common gender nouns. Common gender nouns you have to write, like sisters, parents. Okay, like that. Okay. Yes. Complete that and send it in the group for correction. Okay, children. Today in here it is enough. Then from page number 6 we will do in the next class. Okay. So what is your homework? You have to do page number 5. Page number 5 is your homework in workbook. Okay. Complete it and send it in the group. Okay. Today enough. We will meet in the next class. Bye.